Hey everyone! Today I'll be making Strawberry Tres Leches Cake. First I'll start by making a strawberry puree. Using a blender or food processor, blend 300 grams of strawberries. Strain out the seeds. You can leave them if you want. Add this to a pot with a pinch of salt and 40 grams of sugar. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's reduced and thickened. Add to a bowl to cool down. Now we make the sponge cake. If you have a hand mixer, it's best to use that so you don't have to clean the bowl in between, but I'll be using a stand mixer. Separate 5 eggs and add the yolks to a bowl, along with 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix on high speed until it's light in color and thick. To that, add 1/3 cup of whole milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now sift in 1 cup of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And mix until combined. Mix the whites you separated earlier on high speed. When it's foamy, stream in 1/4 cup of sugar and mix until it's medium to stiff peaks. Fold the egg whites into the yolk mixture a little bit at a time until everything is combined. Lightly spray a 9x13 baking dish and evenly pour in the batter. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Now we'll make the milk soak. Mix together 1/4 cup of whole milk, 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and a 14-ounce can of condensed milk. To make it strawberry flavored, mix in half of the puree we made earlier. When the cake is cool, pierce the surface of the cake with a fork. This helps the milk to seep into the cake. It's okay if your cake is slightly warm, as the milk will actually soak up quicker. Slowly drizzle the milk mixture over the cake. For best results, let the cake sit in the fridge overnight before eating to ensure it's soaked up all the milk. For the topping, we'll be whipping up 2 cups of cream. When it's almost done, add the rest of the strawberry puree. Make sure to stop mixing when it's come to stiff peaks. You don't want to overmix this. Evenly spread on top of the cake. This cake makes 12 large slices. Don't forget to top with fresh strawberries. This cake is very moist because of the milk soak, and with the added strawberries, it's the perfect summer dessert. If you make this recipe, be sure to tag us on Instagram at Sam and Feng Cooking. Thanks for watching!
Like and subscribe, please.